In this video, learn how to stake your cryptocurrency in order to compound your gains. Crypto staking is a gift for long-term investors, and once you get it set up, you can earn extra crypto whilst you sleep. There's a few different ways we can actually either go and stake or lend our cryptos depending on what type of crypto it is. I'm going to go through each way you can stake, how you can identify if your crypto pays staking rewards and how much it pays. And then we can also be clever and use different platforms to get the best rates. Even on some apps, actually getting extra bonuses as well. There's a lot of sections in this video, so I've listed them all as timestamps in the video description. If you want to know how I invest in crypto over the long term and earn passive income on CeFi and DeFi, you can check out my crypto investor course. I'll link that down there as well. So if you're new to staking and crypto, you might know the process of earning passive income on your crypto as staking. But within staking, you actually have two main ways of earning passive income. The first is actual staking, which is where you take a proof of stake cryptocurrency and get rewards directly for participating in proof of stake. You buy coins and then stake them in your wallet to get your rewards. Each blockchain has slightly different rules. For example, some may actually have lockup periods of around 21 days before you can take your coins back out once you do stake them. Rewards though are fixed and predictable. As long as you choose a good validator, you'll get paid a percentage back that you will know ahead of time. A good way to find out if a crypto is actually a proof of stake crypto is to go to a site like Messari and go to the specific info page to see what type of consensus method it uses. But also a quicker way is probably just to go to stakingrewards.com, which will list all of the big proof of stake blockchains and also give you their staking rewards as a percentage as well. So very easy to see what you're going to get. You'll also get some other good info on those cryptos, like how many of the coins are actually staked as a percentage of the total amount, and some other good info that you can use to compare one coin to the rest. Staking cryptocurrency is actually fairly simple. There's a few steps you have to go through though. So now I just want to show you how quick it is to actually buy cryptocurrency and start earning passive income on it. Firstly, let's look at Cardano, which I think has one of the most technologically superior staking mechanisms in the whole crypto space. First, we'll need to go and buy some ADA coins. These are the base layer coin on the Cardano blockchain. So I'm going to use Binance for this one. So just deposit some fiat currency into your Binance account. And if you want to use Binance, I'll link them below so you can sign up for an account. But depending on which country you're in, you may have the option to send in a bank transfer or just use a card to go ahead and buy some ADA. Once you have some ADA in your account, you'll need to send the coins to a Cardano wallet. This is the only way that you can go ahead and directly stake them on the blockchain. A wallet is a decentralized protocol that lets you hold coins on a blockchain, and with ADA, you can stake your coins right in the wallet. So what we need to do is download a Cardano wallet itself. So we can come to yoroi-wallet.com and download the Chrome extension and go through this setup process. Then what we need to do once that is installed is come to our Yoroi wallet and click deposit. When you have your address, you need to copy that and then come back to Binance where you now have your ADA coins and click on withdraw. And then you can just paste your wallet address, that's your Yoroi wallet address, into the withdraw field and go through that withdrawal. Once you have withdrawn your ADA, it'll take a few minutes to show up in your Yoroi wallet. And then we need to come over to delegate. All you have to do now is choose from the list of stake pools. Any pool with a decent rating should be fine to choose. So just hit delegate on the pool that you want. And that's literally it. You're now earning around 5% passive income per year on your ADA coins. If all that was a little bit fast, don't worry, I have a full-blown tutorial step-by-step, one for Binance and also one for staking Cardano as well. So I'll leave those linked in the video description. To give another example though, to see how this process works across different blockchains, let's come to staking some SOL tokens on Solana. On Solana, it's pretty much the same process. You have to go and buy some Solana tokens first. So I'll use Binance again, buy those. Then what we need to do is download a Solana wallet, and Phantom wallet is by far the most popular wallet. So just go to phantom.app, or you can just go to the Chrome store, search for Phantom wallet, make sure you have the right one, You can check that by the amount of downloads, should be over 1 million. Then what we need to do is get our wallet address. So once we've set up Phantom Wallet, going through that process, come over to copy your wallet address. Now what I need to do is go back to Binance and paste that address into the withdraw field so that I can send my SOL tokens from my exchange account over to my Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet also lets you directly stake your SOL coins in the wallet. So just go over to the stake option and then choose any validator that you want. Just choose them to stake, go through that process, and you'll start earning these staking rewards right away, all paid into your Phantom Wallet. If you don't want to stake coins directly in a blockchain wallet, you can actually do it directly on some crypto apps as well, like Coinbase, KuCoin, and Binance. The benefit of this is it's very easy to do. Just go to Binance Earn, for example, and choose the coins that you want to stake and click it right there and you'll start staking. The downside is that you're using a centralized platform, which means you don't have full control over your crypto, and they may change the rates and make you lock up your coins for certain periods of time. It's not the end of the world, and for many people, this easy to use method is going to be just fine. Also, this is probably the easiest way for you to stake ETH coins for ETH 2.0. Staking ETH on the blockchain for ETH 2.0 is a little bit beyond this video. It can be done with Lido, but you'll need ETH in a wallet and then go through some extra steps. That's definitely beyond the scope of this video, but for many people, if you want to buy and stake ETH, just using an exchange like Binance or KuCoin and then staking it right there in the same application is just going to be a simple way of earning some passive income with ETH. So that's how to stake native blockchain coins in their proof of stake consensus mechanisms, which as you can see is a little bit different per blockchain, but all have the same basic premise. Not only blockchain coins can be staked though, as many protocols built on top of chains also give hodlers the ability to invest and put up their coins for extra income. We can more or less call this staking as well, although technically the protocols aren't blockchains and don't need the coins for consensus. These protocols, usually in DeFi, make money from their business, usually by collecting trading fees, for example, and then they'll pay out some money that they make back to token holders. We can think of this as just like a stock paying back a dividend to its shareholders. As an example, Radium is a DeFi protocol on Solana. You can connect your Solana wallet. We've just gone through that Phantom wallet there, so you can use that. And you can use Radium to swap tokens or lend out tokens for some passive income. But the Radium protocol itself allows you to just stake some Ray tokens, and you can do that directly to receive rewards that the protocol actually earns and pays out. So we can actually come over to radium.io and then choose Ray staking. You'll need some Ray tokens, so you can buy them on Binance, or you can actually use SOL tokens in your Phantom wallet to swap into Ray. And if you want to see how I do that, I'll leave that video linked in the description as well. Simply though, now what we can do is just have those Ray tokens and then choose to stake them on Radium. And as of writing this video, the staking yield is just under 18%. That's a great staking yield, but there are other things that we need to keep in mind, like the price of Ray tokens, which can go up and down depending on how successful the Radium protocol is over time. If you've got Ray tokens anyway though, happy days, we can earn an extra 18% on our tokens that we're hodling. So apart from staking directly, getting rewards from protocols, the third way that we can earn passive income on crypto is by lending it out. This is simply where you take your coins and lend them out, usually to other traders who will need them for liquidity or for pure speculation. And the people you're lending to could be other retail traders, all the way up to multi-billion-dollar hedge funds and liquidity providers. You can lend out your coins on both CeFi and DeFi, and rates will vary per platform. If you own a token or coin that doesn't pay any staking rewards, then lending is pretty much the only way that you'll be able to earn passive income. And the two biggest examples here are Bitcoin and stablecoins. The best way to earn extra on Bitcoin is to use a centralized lending platform like Celsius, Nexo, or BlockFi. Rates vary, but all of them pay decent amounts from around 3 to 5% APY, and all centralized platforms give deposit bonuses with your first deposit on each platform as well. It's $50 for Celsius right now for a $400 deposit, anywhere from $10 to $25 of Bitcoin with your first deposit on Nexo, And then on BlockFi, from about $10 all the way up to $250, depending on how big your deposit is. And if you want $250, you're gonna have to deposit a lot on there. But it's good to know that we can get some bonuses if we're looking at doing this anyway. Interest rates change and the offers and deals change. So I'll link all three of those that I've discussed in the video description. You can see the deposit bonuses at the time that you're watching this video. On the same platforms, you can also lend out stablecoins, Ethereum, Cardano, and others, although support for coins, rates, and everything like that are going to be different per platform. Stablecoin rates though are usually fantastic across the board, like 8% or more as of making this video. And again, that may change in the future. Apart from dedicated lending apps that give you those rewards, some exchanges also have good lending rates for stablecoins as well, like Binance, KuCoin, and FTX. All recommended, and I use them all to trade and lend out some crypto. I'll leave those linked below as well, and you can actually trade crypto on them and then lend out any funds that you're not using for the time being, so it might be more convenient for a lot of people. As an example though, this is my Celsius network account where you can come in and automatically lend out all of your cryptos in the app. Just click on deposit and get your crypto address, then transfer in Bitcoin from, let's say, your Binance or anywhere else just using this address. Then you can start earning passive income straight away on that BTC, or you can just buy directly in the app. And as soon as you go through with that purchase, it will start earning that passive income. Also, USDC is supported with Celsius Wallet, currently paying a 10% interest rate. I also have to touch on the risks of lending. There are, of course, risks when you lend money out. Getting a 10% interest rate is obviously commensurate with slightly higher risk of holding cryptocurrencies in general, not having FDIC or FCA insurance on deposits. And so there is a higher risk of using cryptocurrency in general, hence the higher interest rates that we're getting. If you don't want to use centralized platforms though, you can actually use DeFi as well. You're going to need a MetaMask wallet and some ETH for the most part. There are other blockchains like Solana, also the Terra blockchain as well with different wallets, and I'll leave all of those videos in the description if you want to find out more. But for example, let's actually use the Polygon blockchain through a MetaMask wallet to connect to Aave, and Aave is one of the oldest and most established lending protocols out there. Firstly, we need to get some Matic coins into our MetaMask. Once you do have Matic coins in your MetaMask wallet on the Polygon network, you can come over to a decentralized exchange like QuickSwap and swap those Matic tokens for some USDT. Once you have USDT in your wallet, you can go over to Aave, choose the Polygon market, and then lend out your USDT for some passive income. Again, rates do change, but you can easily see that in your dashboard and make your decisions accordingly. Using DeFi is definitely more complex and has more steps in there, and it's more difficult than just using Celsius Wallet, buying some Bitcoin and getting that passive income directly in the app. But I do have tutorials for all of these things, so they're all linked in the description, like I said. So yes, there are many different ways to earn extra income with crypto. You can stake it directly on the blockchain for reliable staking rewards, or you can lend out your tokens on various centralized platforms like Celsius or on DeFi, which gives you total control over your funds. Rates vary, and so do the risks of using each type of platform, of course. If you want to learn more about how I use DeFi and invest over the long term, you may want to check out my crypto investor course and private Discord groups where you can learn more and ask questions about different platforms. I'll leave that linked in the description as well. I'm James with MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.